Hello. Hello, this is day 2, Tuesday. Weather's been with us again, so we've done some fence painting, well, Lurch has, and also painted the house, and he's assembled it. Now it's an animal house rather than a chicken house, but it's the same size dimensions as their chicken coops, apart from they have a nest box on the side. I didn't want that anyway, so I got this one a lot cheaper, and so it's ideal for what I want. Because the chickens, I'm not keeping them just in that little run. They're going to have all of this area, and I'm only going to have 2 chickens this time. It doesn't matter if I take a bit of space off them underneath their actual house. So I'm going to build, hopefully like a drawer. Take the mesh off and build like a drawer, so I can pull it out and get the eggs out, push it back in. Mason won't be able to jump on it because he used to jump on the other one and get on top of the fence, and I don't want that again. So that's why I'm having this and having a drawer for them, so hopefully they'll lay their eggs in the drawer. But I've got to build that tomorrow or sometime this week anyway, because I'm ahead of plan. I wasn't intending on starting this until March, so we're not even in March yet, only about not even halfway through February, so I'm way ahead of plan. Let me show you the house more. This is fence paint that we put on, which is animal friendly. It's been on here, and my other chickens were fine with it, so I know I'm alright. This was actually white, but I wasn't going to go out and buy white fence paint when I've got something else in. And I don't know if you can make it out. I said it was an animal hutch, so I've actually put a wrist bar there, so 2 chickens will easily fit on that wrist bar. And then when I'm cleaning out, I just pull the tray out and I can put it straight into the compost bin. We haven't bothered to put a catch on here because I'm going to be leaving it open anyway, because the chickens will have this big run. But that's the end of day 2, and at the end of a few hours messing around with the chicken coop, I am going to come in and cook tea, because this is what slow cookers, crock pots are for. Nice hot meal ready and waiting for me.
It's a perfect